Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Two-dimensional arrays in Java can be tricky when printing row major order. Let's quickly find why this specific code throws an error and fix it. The outer loop uses variable a to iterate through the rows, while the inner loop uses b for columns. This structure is standard for visiting every single element in the table. For correct row major order, we must access elements using the row index first and the column index second. That means we should be calling table with indices A then B here. Instead, the code uses table ba, reversing the indices. This causes an out-of-bounds exception whenever row and column counts differ. Well done! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush by checking indices. Trust the given row major order rules.